Hello, Sparkling Ones. Welcome back to day 2 of doTERRA's Bogo Week. I'm Dee Diaz, your Sparkling Life Nutrition Health Coach and Essential Oil Wellness Advocate. Glad you're tuning in today because we're doing things a little differently for this Bogo Week. So I want to make sure that you have all the deets. This go round, doTERRA is making available all the Bogos starting today, March 17th through March 22nd, or while supplies last. And the Bogo box is also going to be available while supplies last. And if you recall, I mentioned in yesterday's recording that when you enroll with the Bogo box, you'll receive the gift of 1 year free of doTERRA's wholesale membership. Plus, those of you who are new to doTERRA and you enroll with an order of at least 150 PV, you're also going to receive the Deep Blue Essential Oil and the Deep Blue Rub Lotion for free with your order. As always, if you need more information on what all that means, please feel free to reach out to me or the wellness advocate that referred you to this recording. So isn't that great? Now, because I value your time starting today and going forward this week, I'm going to start sharing the individual Bogo pairings and highlighting each product. I'm going to share its uses, give you some DIY or do-it-yourself recipes and diffuser recipes. But please know that you're able to shop for any of these Bogo pairings starting today through March 22nd or while supplies last. I'm just going to break up the oily education into bite-sized pieces for you. So it doesn't mean that they're only available on the days I present the information, okay? So you're probably wondering, what are the pairings? Okay, so let's talk about that. You're going to love these because we have something for everyone. If you're looking to support emotions, we have something for that. If you need support for your immune system, yep, we've got it. If you're looking for respiratory support, yes, we have that too, and so much more. So these are the pairings. When you buy doTERRA Serenity 50 milliliter, and you're going to get doTERRA Balance 50 milliliter for free. Or if you buy AirX, the 50 milliliter bottle, you're going to get doTERRA Breathe Touch, the roller bottle, 10 ml, and the Peppermint Touch 10 ml for free. You're going to get both of them with the AirX. When you purchase the beautiful Touch roller bottle, 10 ml, you're going to get Tea Tree Essential Oil 50 ml bottle for free, or Melaleuca, some people know it by Melaleuca better. When you buy Oregano 15 ml bottle, you're going to get doTERRA's On Guard Touch roller bottle for free. And when you buy the Adaptive Calming Blend capsules, you're going to get both lavender essential oil and lemon essential oil, both 50 milliliter bottles for free. So those are the pairings. And remember, you're able to shop for any of these Bogo pairings starting today. So go get them before they run out of your favorites. Or better yet, just get the Bogo box. It's a great time to stock up on your wellness products. So today I'm going to cover just 2, and you'll have to stay tuned for the next pairings tomorrow and the rest of the week. We'll be talking about eventually about all of the oils that are found in the box. So let's start talking about this beautiful pairing. There, as I mentioned, it's until March 22nd or while supplies last, and you're going to be limited to up to 5 of each. So if you buy doTERRA Serenity, 5 of them, you're going to get 5 of the doTERRA Balance for free. Same thing with the boxes. If you get 5 of the Bogo boxes, I'm sorry, you can get 5 of the Bogo boxes. So it equal out to the same thing. These 2 are wonderful. Serenity and Balance, they're going to help to support your emotions. They're going to help you stay serene and balanced. Now, doTERRA Serenity Restful Blend is one of the oils that I keep by my bedside and use practically every night. It's a blend of lavender flower, cedarwood, whole wood. It has ylang ylang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, vanilla bean absolute, and it also has Hawaiian sandalwood. Now, each of the oils in this Serenity Restful blend smells amazing individually, but put them together and wow, it's just such a calming, soothing, and relaxing aroma, which is warm and floral and herbal, and it really creates a tranquil, restful environment, especially at bedtime. You can use it throughout the day, though, to help lessen tension and help reduce worry that we might encounter in our daily lives. That's something that we probably all need right about now, right? I especially like using it at night, as I mentioned. It's a great oil to diffuse at night, but you probably guessed that since it's called the Restful Blend, right? And sometimes what I like to do is blend it with the Breathe Respiratory Blend too. That combination smells amazing, like you just walked into a spa. And you can also add a few drops of this blend on diffuser jewelry that your child can take with them to school, especially on their first day back to school or on their first day of school. Or you can apply it to the bottoms of your feet or your children's feet before going to sleep. That's going to help them unwind. And you can be sure that it's safe enough to diffuse at night to calm a restless baby or a child. And you can also inhale it directly from your hands if you don't have a diffuser, or just inhale it straight from the bottle. Also, um, you can apply 2 or 3 drops to the back of your neck or over your heart space if you're looking to get feelings of peace. Or add 2 to 3 drops in a warm Epsom salt bath. And I have just the recipe for you coming up. Actually, I'm starting to relax just thinking about it. Bet you can guess what I'm going to be doing tonight, right? So here's a lovely diffuser blend recipe. This one, you just add 3 drops of Serenity, 2 drops of cedarwood, and 1 drop of Madagascar vanilla. Yeah, I think you're going to like this blend. And here's an easy peasy recipe for Serenity bath salt. Just 1 cup of Epsom salt, a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 10 drops of the Serenity blend. Now what you're going to do is you're going to mix the Epsom salt, then coconut oil, and the Serenity essential oil together. And then if you're going to give it as a gift, because this makes actually a really nice gift, you can add dried lavender or botanicals so that it looks pretty. And then just store it in a container of your choice. I would choose something glass or stainless steel because plastics and essential oils really don't work well together. And of course, Serenity has emotional benefits, right? How could it not with that name? Emotionally, it's the oil of tranquility, and it has a powerful effect on the mind and heart. It's a blend that invites individuals to let go of those feelings of stress, anxiousness, and being overwhelmed. It supports individuals who struggle with an overactive mind who can't seem to unwind. And it'll help you to replace those feelings with being calm, tranquil, peaceful, relaxed, compassionate, and connected. Yes, definitely an oil that we need right about now. And that's our amazing Serenity Restful blend. And then the free oil today, this week that's paired with the Serenity is our Balance Grounding Blend. So let me tell you about this amazing oil. It's definitely one of our top sellers. doTERRA's Balance Blend, truly, it just works wonders when it comes to its ability to promote tranquility and relaxation. It can be used neat without dilution, although with essential oils are so volatile, they evaporate so quickly that I encourage my clients to use it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. As well as this one can be used in a diffuser for instantly calming the mood within any room. Now, balance is one of those oil blends that you just have to have. It's going to help to evoke feelings of tranquility and balance, even during or after your toughest days. And you're going to like the warm, woody aroma. It's a perfect blend of spruce leaf, it's got whole wood, it includes frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus essential oils, and that's in a base of fractionated coconut oil. Now, whether sprinkled on cotton balls and placed in air vents to ease travel anxiety, or whether you inhale it directly from the bottle for a quick sense of inner zen, this balance blend is going to become your new favorite. And it's great to even diffuse in the car if you're going on a long road trip. Now, I like to begin my day by putting balance on the bottom of my feet. That helps me to really ground into the day. And it's a great oil blend to also use during an aroma touch hand massage. If you've never had one, you don't know what you're missing. Contact your wellness advocate and ask them to let you experience an aroma touch hand massage. You won't be sorry. This is also one that you can apply to your wrists or your neck. And I know you'll like this diffuser blend. It includes 3 drops of doTERRA Balance, 2 drops of Hawaiian sandalwood, and 1 drop of black spruce. So imagine how grounding those tree oils are going to be when you put them together in the diffuser. Now, I know y'all like DIY recipes, so and I'm not a DIYer, so I love them when they're super simple. So this one is for balanced shower tablets. So for those of you who don't like taking baths or don't have a bath, how about shower tablets? This one is you're just gonna need 1.5 cups of baking soda, 15 to 20 drops of doTERRA Balanced Grounding Blend, and half a cup of water. You're going to combine the baking soda and water in a bowl, mix it well, and then add 15 to 20 drops of doTERRA Balance, depending on the potency that you're looking for in the tablets. And then using a spoon, you're going to tightly pack the mixture into small silicone molds and let it dry overnight. And then when you're ready to use it, place 1 or 2 tablets in the back of your shower. Make sure to find a spot that's away from the direct flow of water, and then just allow the tablet to dissolve gradually. This is going to release that grounding aroma of doTERRA Balance. I think you're really going to like that recipe. Let me know when you try it. And of course, the emotional benefits of balance. It's primarily a combination of tree oils and roots. And if you think about trees, they're stable, right? So this is a wonderful remedy for those who need to reconnect with their roots. It strengthens your connection with the lower body and with the earth. And this blend reminds individuals that to realize their true dreams and desires, they must stay focused on a goal until it's actualized. This is going to provide inner strength, teaching individuals to ground their energy and to manifest their vision with the patience of a tree. So as I mentioned, these are available starting today through the 22nd while supplies last. You'll be limited to 5 of each of the Bogo oils per account, or 5 Bogo boxes. If you don't have an account yet, I'll leave the link on the description box of this video so you can purchase the Bogo box and get your free wholesale membership along with the deep blue oil and the lotion with the appropriate purchase. Or feel free to email me for help at d@sparklinglifecoach.com. As always, if you have questions and would like to speak to someone about your nutrition and health, the benefits of essential oils, contact me and schedule a complimentary consultation session. It can be via video chat or phone. or contact the wellness advocate that referred you to this video. And come back to this channel tomorrow. I'll be discussing Air X, one of our newer oils, along with Breathe Touch and Peppermint Touch. So if you'd like to learn more about those oils, tune in tomorrow. Thanks so much for joining me, and hope you have a sparkling evening.